Hello students, class 9th English medium. Today in your online class subject physics is that here in chapter 9 force and laws of motion. ठीक है, आपका 9 चैप्टर में फिजिक्स में है चैप्टर फोर्स एंड लॉज ऑफ मोशन. So in this chapter your topic is online class today is that law of conservation of momentum. Law of conservation of momentum. ठीक है. So what is the law of conservation of momentum? Before you know what is momentum, पहले आपको मोमेंटम समझना है कि मोमेंटम क्या है. व्हाट इज मोमेंटम? तो मोमेंटम के केस में आपको समझना है कि द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मास ऑफ एनी बॉडी एंड वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बॉडी. द प्रोडक्ट ऑफ मास एंड वेलोसिटी ऑफ द बॉडी इज कॉल्ड मोमेंटम. मोमेंटम इक्वल टू mass into velocity. Clear? If b product be multiplication of the mass of the body and velocity of the body, then m into v, where m is the mass of the body and v is the velocity of the body, then m into v, that means the product of mass and velocity of the body is called momentum. ठीक है. You know momentum is a vector quantity because velocity is a vector quantity. So mv it is denoted by p equal to mv. It is denoted by p. जो momentum है वो p से डिनोट किया जाता है. तो p equal to m into v and you can find their unit also. So what is the unit of momentum? Is that the mass of the unit of the mass is kg and the unit of velocity is the meter per second. So kilogram meter per second it is the unit of momentum. Clear? So आपका ये कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हुआ कि व्हाट इज मोमेंटम. अब आप आते हैं कि लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम. इट इज लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम का स्टेटमेंट क्या है, आपको ये ध्यान देना है कि अकॉर्डिंग टू लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम इज दैट इफ नो एनी एक्सटर्नल फोर्स इज अप्लाइड ऑन एनी बॉडी. ठीक है. देन देयर momentum of the body is always conserved, or we can say in other words, if no any external force is applied on any body, then the momentum of the body is always constant, or in other words the momentum is always conserved. ठीक है. मतलब सेफ रहती है, नो चेंज होती है, कांस्टेंट रहती है. यदि किसी बॉडी पर कोई एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाइड नहीं की जा रही है तो उस बॉडी की जो मोमेंटम है वो ऑलवेज कांस्टेंट रहती है, कंजर्व रहती है. इट इज द लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम. इट इज क्लियर दैट इफ नो एनी फोर्स इज अप्लाइड ऑन एनी बॉडी, ठीक है, सो देयर वेलोसिटी इज नॉट चेंज. ठीक है. सो व्हेन वेलोसिटी इज नॉट चेंज ऑफ द बॉडी एंड मास इज नॉट चेंज, ठीक है, चाहे वो रेस्ट में रहे, चाहे मूविंग में रहे, चाहे एक्सटर्नल फोर्स अप्लाइड हो ना हो, सो मास इज नॉट चेंज. सो अप्लाइड फोर्स इज चेंज इनटू देयर वेलोसिटी, बट हियर absence of external force, because no any external force is applied on any body, then no any acceleration produced in the body. So no any acceleration is acting on the body, then their velocity is not changed. So velocity is not changed and mass is not changed. ठीक है. So their product mass into velocity of the body is always constant. It is always conserved when no any external force is applied. So clear, the law of conservation of momentum is that here, according to law of conservation of momentum, if any external force is not applied on an object, then their momentum is always conserved. This is called the law of conservation of momentum. It is the law of conservation of momentum. Here, suppose that it is right in mathematical form, the statement of the law of conservation of momentum. If two bodies A and B, or we can say in two balls A and B, of their masses are ma and mb, they are moving with initial velocity ua and ub. ये ua और ub वेलोसिटी से they are moving in straight line, ठीक है, in same direction. But here ua is greater than ub. That means the velocity of the A balls is greater than the velocity of the balls B, ball B. So ua is greater than ub. Then they are collides to each other. They are impact to each other. They are collides to each other. So after collisions, their velocity will be changed. Here in initial velocity ua and ub, but after collisions their final velocity will be changed into va and vb. So va and vb is the velocity of balls A and B after collision. So here we can write in mathematical form the statement of the law of conservation of momentum is that the total momentum before collision, total momentum is equal to total momentum in before collision is equal to the total momentum after collision. So here in before collision is that ma into ua. Ma into ua is the momentum of first ball in before collision, and mb into ub is the momentum of the second ball before collision, ठीक है. So before collision it is the ma into ua plus mb into ub is the total momentum before collision, ठीक है. And ma into va is the momentum of ball A after collision, and mb into vb is the momentum of ball B after collision. So here A and B जो दो बॉल हैं उनके कोलिजन के बिफोर टोटल मोमेंटम हुए ये ma into ua plus mb into ub, और ये आफ्टर कोलिजन हुआ दोनों बॉल्स का ma into va plus mb into vb. So it is clear that by the law of conservation of momentum is said to be here in another words is that the total momentum before collisions is equal to the total momentum after collisions. Clear? So here we have proved this statement is also in mathematical form. So here ball A applied force, if A ball is collides to the ball B, so ball A is applied force on the ball B is the FAB by the FAB force, and ball B is also applied force on the ball A in opposite direction. It is the value of here FBA. But here both force FAB and FBA are in same in magnitude but opposite in direction. बॉल A बॉल B पर फोर्स अप्लाइड करेगी FAB, ठीक है, और बॉल B जो है बॉल A पर फोर्स अप्लाइड करेगी FBA अपोजिट डायरेक्शन में. सो बोथ बॉल्स आर applied force to each other, and their values is the FAB and FP. So here their direction is here opposite. So ball A applied force FAB on ball B, and ball B applied force FBA on ball A. ठीक है. So here but according to Newton's third law of motion, here applied both forces are equal and opposite. So we can write in mathematical form of the Newton's third law of motion is that FAB equal to minus FBA. But we know that but force equal to mass into acceleration. So here FAB equal to force equal to mass into acceleration. So FAB equal to mass of the first ball into acceleration. Acceleration means change in velocity upon time, VA minus UA upon t. And similarly FBA equal to also written as the mass of the mass of the ball B into the change in velocity upon time. So here VB minus UB upon t, VB minus UB upon t. VB minus UB is the change in velocity of second ball. ठीक है, at the time t. So here we find applied forces to each other FAB and FBA. So here we know that FAB equal to minus FBA. Put the value of this here this step. So we get MA. ये दोनों हम जो है इक्वल कर देंगे और अपोजिट कर देंगे, क्योंकि FAB इक्वल टू माइनस FBA. सो हियर MA इनटू VA माइनस UA अपॉन T इक्वल टू माइनस यहाँ है तो ये माइनस और ये MB इनटू VB माइनस UB अपॉन T. मतलब ये दोनों फोर्स इक्वल और अपोजिट है. हम FAB और FBA की वैल्यू, ये जो वैल्यू दिए गए हैं इसमें पुट करेंगे. सो हम पाते हैं TT दोनों तरफ कैंसिल आउट हो जाता है. सो आएगा MA इंटू VA माइनस UA इक्वल टू माइनस MB VB माइनस UB. अंदर हम मल्टीप्लाई कर देंगे तो MA इंटू VA माइनस MA इंटू UA इक्वल टू माइनस MB इंटू VB और माइनस माइनस प्लस हुआ MB इंटू UB. सो वी कैन राइट हियर MA इंटू VA और हम ले रहे हैं ये माइनस है, इधर गया तो प्लस हो गया तो प्लस MB इंटू VB प्लस MB इंटू VB इक्वल टू MB UB. ये MB UB क्यों मतलब है, ये इधर माइनस है, इधर गया तो प्लस हुआ तो प्लस MA इंटू UA. सो वी कैन राइट हियर MA इंटू UA प्लस MB इंटू UB इक्वल टू MA VA प्लस MB VB. दैट मीन्स हम ये कह सकते हैं कि MA UA जो है वो इट इज द मोमेंटम ऑफ द फर्स्ट बॉल बिफोर कोलिजन. ठीक है, एंड MB UB इज द मोमेंटम ऑफ सेकंड बॉल बिफोर कोलिजन. ठीक है, तो इट इज द टोटल मोमेंटम बिफोर कोलिजन एंड MA VA इज द मोमेंटम of first ball after collision and MB VB is the momentum of second ball after collision. So it is the total momentum after collision. So here total momentum before collision is equal to the total momentum after collision. Total momentum after collision. So total momentum before collision is equal to the total momentum after collision. It is the law of conservation of momentum. It is the law of conservation of momentum. So here आप समझे कि मोमेंटम क्या है. लॉ ऑफ मोमेंटम, लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ मोमेंटम. So here and their derivation is also completed and you complete your fair copy with the sending notes and your chapter is clear and it is prepared.